Hello everybody, and how's it going? Welcome back to Tech Tutorials, an amazing place for your daily life tech solutions. In this video we're going to be learning how you can remove green screen in CapCut. So let's get started. First we're going to be importing a video onto our timeline. So you can see I have this person with this green screen, and to simply remove this you need to click on this video, and after that you can see we have this cutout option and click on that. Here we have this option of chroma key, so make sure you check that, and after that you're going to be selecting this color picker. Once you pick that, you're going to be choosing anywhere on your green screen, so click on that, and you can see currently nothing happened, but we are going to be increasing the strength, and then to make it a little bit smoother we are going to be increasing the shadow. As you can see, our video is now completely removed with green screen, and that's a pretty simple process. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.